to my YouTube channel. We continue from our installation series on the Cband reflector. Now take notes please. What make a setup C or KU band is not the dish size. It's not the dish size that makes a setup C band or KU band. I've said it several times. So 2.4 meter dish or 1.8 meter dish or 3.4 meter dish or 4.5 meter dish, despite the size of it, doesn't make it a C band. What makes it C band is the LMB attached to it. Take note, it's the LMB that is attached to the reflector that makes it either KU band or C band. So this 2.4 meter dish, we can install a KU band, we can install a C band, we can motorize it. So let's continue quickly. So these are dish. Now this dish like this, you see, this is how it comes from factory. This factory fitted dish. If you want to use a motorized dish, you don't need this. If you're motorizing it, motorizing means instead of you just attach, you just set up a multiple satellites. Set up this multiple satellites, you control it from inside, it will be turning on its own. We'll get there very soon. You rotate it on its own. You don't need this. This one, you need this if you just want to set up single LMBF and put scalars and do it manually instead of doing it motorized. So this it comes. So this is the big and this is a small circle. The big circle, the small circle. The big circle and the small circle. The big circle will be the one on the floor, while the small circle will be where the reflector will hang, where the reflector will sit. So the bigger one and the smaller one. So take note of these U-shaped holes. We have two big ones here, we have one smaller one here. We have this, the same thing. So we're going to do the setting up now. This one, as I told you earlier on, this bigger one will be on the floor, while the smaller one will be at the top. See, like something like this. So why this one here, why this, the U-shaped angle here will face up, the U-shaped angle here for your bolts and your nuts, this one here will face down. Another thing you need to understand is this one like this one has two here, this one has one here. So the one that has this singular one here in the middle will face here like this. The same thing here, two here, then the smaller one at the middle. This smaller one in the middle here will come and face the smaller one here at the middle. So it's something like this you're looking at. So stay tuned, we'll continue. Okay, we continue. So what we have here now, we have 4 pipes. 4 pipes like this. 3 of the pipes are of the same size, this one. Why this one have like a control here. And we have another shorter pipe here. Now, this pipe is going with this pipe. This pipe is what you use the movement of the reflector up and down. This is the mechanism for it. The mechanism for the movement of the dish up and down. So that is how it's going to be. So this one is going to come into this. Please take notes. Take notes. You see, there's a hole here and there's a hole here. This hole, make sure it's set to this hole here. Make sure it's set to this hole here. This hole can either be here like this or like this, but make sure that these holes are like this. If you put it like this, it's wrong. So make sure that this hole and this hole entered like this. Because why would you say it? So that when you push it like this, it's supposed to come out like this. You can see. So this one, why I say this hole here is going to be what, remember I told you that we have two U-shaped boot and note provision for here. Then we have one here. So this one here, the one in the middle, is where this will rest. So we rest like this. It will rest like this. Why this like this? So that is why I say you should do it like this. So after you've moved it inside, just make sure you tighten it like this. Tighten it like this. You are good with this one. Then come closer. You see this place? We have one here. We have two here. Two U-shaped objects here for your bolt and nut. This is the middle one. So this one, you put it here. So again, my bolt, I pass it like this. Pass it here. I'm trying to locate the bolt here. Okay, so tight it here. Let me screw it properly. Oh, there's sand inside. Okay, so screw it here. Guide it like this first. So this one is achieved. We've achieved this. So what next do we need to do? This other pipe here, one will be here. The second one will come here. Second one will come here. Second one will come to this place. So let's guide this one first. Guide this one. It can pass through any place. You can either pass it inside or outside. Any of them. You can pass the boat through this place, or you can pass it through this place. So let me pass it through this place first. So I guide this one too. So I succeeded in guiding this. Let me drop it down first.